How to improve your English speaking. English is very important. Many people around the world speak English. If you can speak English well, you can talk to many people, make new friends, get a good job, and travel to different countries. So, how can you improve your English speaking? Here are 30 different ways to discuss how to improve your English speaking skills. Practice every day. Practice is very important. When you practice, you get better. You can practice with your friends, family, teacher, or alone. Talk to yourself in English, saying, "Hello, how are you? I am fine, thank you." This is a good way to start. Listen to English every day. Listening helps you learn new words, how to say them, and how to make sentences. Listen to English songs, watch English movies, listen to English radio, and watch English TV shows. You can also listen to people who speak English by going to places where English is spoken. Read English books. Reading helps you learn new words and how to make sentences. Read easy books, children's books, newspapers, magazines, or anything in English. Read out loud to practice speaking. You can also read with a friend and take turns reading to each other. Write in English. Writing helps you learn how to make sentences. Write a diary in English, write about your day, letters to friends, emails, or stories. Try to use new words when you write. This will help you remember them. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Making mistakes is okay. Everyone makes mistakes. When you make a mistake, you learn. Ask your teacher, friends, or family for help. They can tell you how to say things correctly. Do not be shy. Speak English as much as you can. The more you speak, the better you will get. Think in English. Thinking in English helps you speak better. Start with small things. For example, when you see a chair, think, "This is a chair." When you are hungry, think, "I am hungry." When you think in English, it will be easier to speak. Learn new words every day. Learning new words is very important. Use a dictionary to learn new words and write them in a notebook. Try to use the new words in sentences. This will help you remember them. Speak slowly. Speaking slowly makes it easier to say words correctly. It also helps people understand you. Do not speak too fast. Take your time. Think about what you want to say, and then say it slowly. Join an English class. Taking a class is very helpful. You can learn new words and how to make sentences. Practice speaking with your classmates and ask your teacher questions. Your teacher can help you with your speaking. Have fun. Learning English should be fun. Play games in English, sing songs, watch funny movies, and talk to your friends in English. When you have fun, you will learn better. Use technology. Use apps on your phone to practice speaking, learn new words, and work on pronunciation. Watch videos on YouTube and take online courses. Technology is very helpful for learning English. Make English speaking friends. Having friends who speak English is very helpful. Practice speaking with them, and they can help you with your mistakes and teach you new words. You can also learn about their culture and how people speak English in different countries. Watch English news. Watching the news helps you learn about what is happening in the world, new words, and how people speak in different situations. Watch news on TV or the internet. Join an English speaking club. Many places have clubs where people meet to speak English. Join these clubs to meet new people, practice speaking, and learn from them. Travel to English-speaking countries. Traveling is a great way to improve your English. When you travel, you have to speak English. Talk to people in hotels, restaurants, and shops. Ask for directions and communicate with people. Use flashcards. Flashcards are a good way to learn new words. Write the word on one side and the meaning on the other. Look at the flashcards every day and practice saying the words. Record yourself speaking. Recording yourself helps you hear your mistakes and understand how you sound. Practice saying words correctly and ask your friends or teacher to listen to your recording. Mimic native speakers. Listen to native speakers and try to speak like them. Copy their pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. This will help you sound more natural. Read aloud. Reading aloud helps you practice speaking. You can hear how words sound and practice your pronunciation, intonation, and rhythm. Practice with a partner. Having a partner to practice with is very helpful. Practice conversations, ask and answer questions, and help each other with mistakes. Use a mirror. Speaking in front of a mirror helps you see how you say words. Practice your facial expressions and gestures. Participate in online forums. Join forums where people discuss different topics. Read what others write, write your own comments, and ask questions. This helps you practice writing and improve your vocabulary. Write scripts for conversations. Write down what you want to say and practice the script by saying it out loud. This helps you feel more confident when speaking. Learn about different cultures. Learning about cultures helps you understand how people use English. Learn about customs, traditions, and how people talk in different situations. Set goals. Set small goals, like learning 5 new words every day or practicing speaking for 10 minutes daily. Setting goals helps you stay motivated. Reward yourself. When you reach your goals, reward yourself. For example, if you learn 5 new words every day for a week, treat yourself to something you like. Be patient. Learning a new language takes time. Practice every day and keep trying. Do not give up. Be patient and keep practicing. Use English in your daily life. Write your shopping list in English, write notes in English, and think in English. Using English daily will help you improve. Find a language exchange partner. A language exchange partner is someone who wants to learn your language. Speak in English for some time, then in your language. This way, both of you can learn. Join online language learning communities. Join online communities where people learn languages. Practice speaking with them, ask questions, and share tips.